इजी है, इजी हो गया। ये इजी करने के लिए मेरे को कितना टाइम लगता है। हाँ मैडम, उसी के लिए तो चार्ज कर रहे हो आप। बैठो बनाओ चार्ट, ठीक है, ओके फाइन। But after this much, if I'm serving you on the plate, then also you don't want to eat, then I can't do anything. उसके बाद मैं कुछ मुंह में खिलाऊं आपको? For that you have to be in Pro Tree Academy for 24 hours. That also we can do. बेटा बैठो, then because there are limited hours. Then in night till 2 o'clock we will ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? INC 23, 26 ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ मैडम? तो वहां भी हम लोग बैठेंगे, वी विल सिट, वी विल सर्व। उतना भी, इतना स्पून फीडिंग, आई कैन ब्रिंग द स्पून टिल योर माउथ, यू हैव टू टेक इट, यू हैव टू डाइजेस्ट, दैट यू हैव टू डू बेटा, ठीक है। फॉर दैट यू नो व्हाट नीडेड, व्हाट नीडेड फॉर दैट? हाँ, हार्ड वर्क कुछ नहीं है, नो हार्ड वर्क। हार्ड वर्क इज व्हाट? हार्ड वर्क पूछो उनसे, the one who are in the 50-degree temperature, 48-degree temperature, the one who are working in the field, that is called hard work. I used to tell hard work उसको ही बोलती हूँ मैं तो। We are sitting in cooler, fan and AC, you don't use hard work. It is not hard work. बोलो, any other word you can say? हाँ? Mindset, okay, mindset for what? Very simple and simple thing I'll tell you, which will not create a burden in your mind. Interest. Only interest. The interested student, no, I can see their faces. Interested. They came up with the doubts. They always think about, that is the interest. Interest वही दिखता है, और interest से ही आप पास हो सकते हो. After my 2 kids, what was the need to do this thing? It was my interest only. I had never taken it as a burden. And I had never compared कि the young fellows are there, I am married to two kids are there, it is a burden, hard work. No, interest was there. I am telling you, interest was there. If you do the things with the interest, if you are going to, like on your bike, I was revising these things by my own. When I was talking to my friends, within 5 minutes you can revise these things. This you can ask one clause from somebody, you can tell that this is called interest beta. ऐसे आप लोग करते नहीं हो, I can't see that. So hard work कुछ नहीं, hard work बोले तो दिमाग उधर है, काय को hard work करना है? Why? मेरे बाप के पास तो ऐसा, मेरे husband के पास इतना पैसा, क्यों करूँ hard work? Hard work is that when they are releasing the sweat in 50-degree, no, go to Maharashtra or any village, any 50-degree. Why I am telling Maharashtra? Because the temperature goes to 50-degree. Even in Bihar, temperature goes to 46-50-degree. You are enjoying such a beautiful weather in Mysore. Here also you are not willing to study. Then तो फिर अल्लाह मालिक है तुम्हारा, गॉड, भगवान, वो भी कुछ नहीं, वो भी बोलेंगे सरेंडर करता हूँ भाई, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता तुम। This temperature, when I was doing my classes, I was going in this 48-50-degree. One day on the signal, I fell down with my bike. 48-50-degree temperature, we were going to classes. वो इंटरेस्ट लाओ, इंटरेस्ट सबसे जरूरी है। कैसे ऐसे एक नया दोस्त बनता है, कितना इंटरेस्ट, एवरी टाइम इट इज गोइंग इन योर माइंड। कोई नई लड़की पट गई, लड़का पट गया, आ रहा है इंटरेस्ट, फिर देखो कितना अच्छा रिलेशन, हाउ मच टाइम यू आर गिविंग टू दैट। और सोने में कितना इंटरेस्ट आता है, खा लो सो जाओ, खा लो सो जाओ, नींद आ जाती है। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू, टर्न दिस हार्ड वर्क टू इंटरेस्ट and you see the magic. I am telling you, you will smile, you will smile. When I was riding my bike, no, I was memorizing these things. This is acha. When I was able to memorize, then I had done it on my bike only. I had done it. I am not sitting for that. I was roaming in my car and my books were there. I am sitting in hospital. I was waiting for the doctor. My one chapter is going on. In train, my flights. These were my targets. बहुत मजा आता था इसमें. With the torch I was sitting, क्योंकि बस में तुम लाइट जलाओगे तो गाली पड़ती थी पीछे से, तो with the torch I was looking my 3 chapters target. बस में इतना बोरिंग, बस में 3 hours कब पहुंचेंगे, उससे अच्छा पढ़ाई कर लो। इंटरेस्ट ला के देखो आप, इसलिए मैं आपको शेयर कर रही हूँ, ठीक है, when एक दूसरे से बात करते हो उस टाइम डिस्कस करो दीज थिंग्स, ऐसे ऐसे होगी पढ़ाई, ऐसे ऐसे चुटकियों में, एंड डोंट गो इन स्ट्रेस।